shit. That's right. You no. Oh no, the sniper guy got clutch.
Yep.
How did I knock myself? It should say you knocked.
Do you have more 7.6 that I can have?
No, that's all I had.
It's pretty low in the bush. You can heal. I'm safe. I'm surprised I didn't kill him, to be honest. You should fight him quick though, if you can. You can smoke if you want. We got time. Just wait like 3 seconds to get it.
Nice.
Healing.
Where's the other guy?
I have no idea.
I see him top of hill. He's running back.
He's on me. He's like more to the right, I think. I have no idea where he is. At the tree.
Dead.
Thank you. I don't know how he didn't kill me, dude. So fucking lucky. Fuck. How many smokes do you have? I have like. You don't need 5.5, do you?
No.
Okay, run over. They stopped at the tree there. They saw us. Is his teammate? His teammate was there.
Yeah, I knocked one. I hit him twice. He's at the tree.
I saw him.
I'm pushing right.
Yeah. Okay, I thought I saw him. I didn't. This is a. Do you have any extra smokes?
I have 8.
Yeah, give me 4. Give me 4. Guys, edge. 3. I headshot him, I think. He's peeking. Hit one once. Did you finish?
No, he's instant. I'm healing though.
I'm not in here. Okay, just behind you at that rock. I saw him like swerving or something. This guy's not bad. So.
He's on me.
Oh, it's not him. Dude, nice. I whiffed so much that game. I was like losing concentration.
Holy shit, I love games like that. That was a good game.